Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here with this week's new releases. We have 3 new budget kits and 3 new monthly kits to match, and we are going to go through them all today. So first up, we'll do budget kits. This first one is called Cozy at Home, and hopefully you can see the texture in that pattern. It's all meant to look like textiles, so fabrics, blankets, that kind of thing. So we have our main budget sheet, weekly check-in, cash envelopes, all of the little ones here. Oops, these 4 smaller sheets there. The washi options for this kit are so cute. So obviously we have this one that matches the header in the kit. We have this one that looks like a chunky knit sweater, which I just want to crawl into right now. And then our last thick washi is this pink polka dot, sort of a denim-y feel to it, not feel, look to it with the texture. So those are the thick washi, and then our thin washi are these 3 here for patterns, and then the sort of pale mauve to match. So this one's called Cozy at Home. Next up we have Happy Fall. So this one is more of a traditional autumn themed one. It's got some, I think it says florals, falling leaves, nature. It's got some script on it with the bows. Main sheet, all of our little ones, if I can get them apart. For thick washi, we have the matching one to the header. We have this pretty one here. And then this one, which I think is my favorite from this kit. And then for smaller washi, we've got leaves, whatever kind of design this is, and then some more leaves there. And then our solid color as well. So that's budget kit number 2 for November. The last one, I saved the best for last because it's my favorite. This one is called Orchard Blossom, and I kind of want everything in this color scheme now. So this is our main sheet, weekly check-in. I love this. This pattern down here is so pretty. All of our normal littler sheets. Our thick washi. This one, which I think you can see there's like a light, like a very pale blue or gray blue stripe in the background. So cute. And then this one here. And then we actually have some glitter this time. So I couldn't resist doing another, like the skinny washi and the matching header pattern as well. But then we've got some florals and some sort of purpley, plummy glitter, which I'm excited about. And then our solid color there. So those are our 3 budget kits. I always do monthly kits to match, so I'm going to show you those now. And there are a couple changes I want to highlight on here. So this is the kit that matches Cozy at Home. So it's the same sort of really pale mauve color. Nothing is different on this sheet. This has all stayed the same. Still comes in Monday start or Sunday start. There's that. The change is on the decorative sheet, which is now also a little bit more functional. So I realized there was some wasted space on the page, so I've added 4 functional boxes, as well as, hopefully you can see, 4 little flags in there as well, just to fill up the page and make the most of it. I will also, my plan is to add to these monthly kits as well as time goes on. But yeah, I really wanted to get a little bit of extra stuff in there. So go forward, all of the kits will have this, and I may go back and edit the other ones, in which case, if you've already bought one, if you've bought the digital version, you will have access to the updated one as well. Once that's done. I'm not sure when I'm going to get to that. So that is Cozy at Home, which matches the first budget kit there. Then we have Happy Fall, so same thing, we've got our functional boxes down here and the flags, and then our actual functional sheet here. Okay, matches Happy Fall. And then the last one, obviously my favorite again, is Orchard Blossom, and that is what the functional sheet looks like. I love the white on this sort of, I don't even know, it's a pinky, I'm not sure what kind of color it is. Anyway, it's just so pretty. I love the line of gold glitter that's running through it there. All right, so those are the 6 new kits that will be up in the store tomorrow, Friday, September 18th. 3 budget kits, 3 monthly kits. These are sort of the November fall themes. Next week, I will have all of December's budget kits and monthly kits as well, so that you've got plenty of time to pick them up and have them shipped if you want to. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram and Etsy at A Pretty Planscape. I'll see you all again soon. Bye, friends.